Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Welcome to the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, the podcast that's going to energize and refocus you to get you chasing your dreams down again and make something big happen for you. And here is your quote for today. You can't get much done in life if you only work on the days when you feel good. If you only do the work you need to do on certain days, then how are you going to achieve the things that you really want to do in life? The only way you can get the things you really want to do is go and chase it down. Show up, work your ass off, and slowly you'll start to see those small steps will only become giant leaps. Focus, cut the distractions, and begin to get yourself moving again.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.